Hello friends, welcome back to my kitchen by Nana. Hope you're all fine, and welcome all the new subscribers to this channel. Thank you for joining us. Today I'm sharing the most common food here in my country. You can't visit Uganda, let it be north, east, west or central, and you miss out on these soft, delicious yellow bananas. First of all, I'm peeling the bananas with a knife. You have to be careful not to cut the bananas as well as yourself. You have to remove everything green and place them in a saucepan or a bowl with water because we have to wash off all the sap. Along with the bananas, I'm going to be cooking sweet potatoes and pumpkins. You can also steam the bananas with cassava, yam, greens, rice. You can as well just steam it with groundnuts. Though with the groundnuts, you have to put them in a saucepan and then place them on top of the bananas. This is a banana stock. It is very important in this specific recipe. Just cut it into small pieces, and I'm going to place it in a saucepan that I'm going to be using for cooking. I'll also pour some water in the saucepan. And if you don't have the banana stock, you can use very hard wood. It can do a very good job. In the basket, I've placed some banana fibers. The fibers are going to help us to tie the food tightly before placing it in the saucepan. Place a washed banana leaf in the basket. Make sure everything is organized well. So I'm placing the washed bananas onto the banana leaf. Make sure you wash them very well so that they don't have any sap on them. We want them to come out very yellow. And then if you don't have a lot of time, you can just cut the banana into two so that they cook quickly. Hit the subscribe button just in case you've not yet subscribed to my kitchen by Nana. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you whenever I upload. Don't forget to leave your comments behind. After organizing my bananas very well on a banana leaf, I'm covering with a small banana leaf. This leaf helps the food to keep in one place. It is going to help the food to look more organized when it is ready, and it also helps to increase on the warmth. Tie the banana leaves carefully with banana fibers and make it very tight. In case you're wondering what foods you can have with these bananas, you can have them with groundnuts, chicken soup, fish, beef, or anything that you would want, but most people like it with groundnuts. I had mine with chicken soup, and I'll share the link of the chicken soup in the description box. Please check it out. In case you visit Uganda, please try out this food. It is very tasty, and the key to the best soft bananas stroke matooke, you need heat. Heat is a must, and then you also need so many banana leaves because we need the warmth. We are just going to steam it, so we need a lot of warmth. We want it to come out very soft, very yellow and delicious. I'm placing some banana leaves in the saucepan that has the banana stalk, because this is where the bananas are going to sit, and I don't want any water to enter them. Just like the matooke, I'm wrapping the sweet potatoes in banana leaves, and then I'll place them on top of the bananas. In case you don't have many banana leaves, just place the sweet potatoes on top of the bananas and then cover very well with the banana leaves that you have. Place the sweet potatoes on top of the bananas, and then place the pumpkins on the sides, or in case you have like cassava or the yams, just place them in any space that you have. Cover everything together with the banana leaf and fix it inside the saucepan so that it holds everything together. Put as many banana leaves as you have, because it is the steam which will be inside that is going to help to cook the bananas. In case the steam is not enough, the bananas won't cook. I've just finished fixing all the banana leaves. As you can see, it looks very neat. I'm now going to place it on a source of heat, and it will cook for about 1.5 hours. It is now about 1.5 hours since I placed the food on the heat, and as you can see, some of the things are ready. For example, the pumpkins, they look very yellow, so we are going to squeeze our matooke. Don't forget to have some cold water nearby because the food and the banana leaves tend to be very hot. I've placed a banana leaf in the basket and now I'm going to start squeezing the bananas. You have to squeeze so hard so that the bananas become very soft. After squeezing the bananas, I'm trying to put everything back together and then we shall place it back on a source of heat. I've wrapped the bananas in a new banana leaf because I don't want the food to drop out. So in case the banana leaf that you're using gets torn, don't change it. Just wrap a new banana leaf and everything else inside a new banana leaf. So now I'm just going to wash my hands and wash off everything, and then I'll be covering the food again in the banana leaves. So I'm going to place it back on a source of heat. You can cook it for as long as you want. Make sure to check for heat and the water so that it does not burn. After cooking it for some time, I'll be reducing the heat so that it cooks very slowly. This is the time we've all been waiting for. The food is ready and we are going to feast. I didn't put the potatoes and the pumpkin back because they cooked already. Pumpkins and potatoes cook for a very short time. So I've just finished washing my hands because I want them to be clean, and as I had told you, banana leaves tend to be very hot, so I'm unwrapping it very carefully and then I'll show you how it looks like. The bananas look very nice. They came out yellow, very soft and delicious. Trust me, steamed bananas are very delicious. You can try this recipe out at your home. Trust me, it will come out very nice. As you can see, even the potatoes look very good and very nice. Our pumpkins also look soft. Pumpkins are very healthy for you. I also added some posho to this meal. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my kitchen by Nana. Bye bye.